Hey, what's up, guys? It's Blake here with Trade Tracer. In this video, I'm going to recap our recent trade today on the S&P 500. So if you're in our Telegram group, you obviously know I pointed out a couple key levels here. I mentioned this trend line. This is the highs of the uptrend line that we broke out of back in November of 2019. Came back, tested it, confirmed the breakout, and surged higher. Since then, we've came back and wanted to play with this trend line again. I mentioned that this is a very important trend line, and be careful as to how to play this because we also had the 200-day moving average right around the 304.50 area, 304.60 area. I was calling that area all day, and to keep it simple, below that 200-day moving average, I'm more bearish, and above it, I start to get a little more bullish. So that is basically the moving average that I'm looking at for the uh, SPXL puts that we have. So you need to start thinking in terms of risk reward. Now, does this trade meet our quote unquote rules to trade? Absolutely not. We are still in a downtrend, and if you are a novice investor, you should really just be waiting for the next uptrend. In order to make the new uptrend, we need to close consecutively days higher above the 10 SMA, and ideally with a MACD bullish crossover. So you can see right now we're still moving lower, and that 10 SMA is sloping downward at a steep angle. And today on the Qs, that's exactly where we got rejected, was the 10 SMA moving average. So you can see the NASDAQ came up, tried to make a run at the 10 SMA, got rejected, and then sold off from there. Now it is showing some relative strength, which is why we are in the SPXL puts. This is what we're looking at. We have the 51 puts that don't expire until April. So I bought some time on that, and it looks like they might open in the money tomorrow morning. Now we're going to have to watch futures, but really the reason I wanted to make this video is so you can understand my trade. Like I said, I'm looking at the 200-day moving average. That's pretty much my stopping point. If prices start to surge higher above that and show like they can hold above it, then I'll go ahead and exit this put. But if they continue to surge lower and this winds up being a retest, then we're in good condition. Like I said, the trend is our friend right now, and we're in a downtrend. So really the only trades that I'm looking at is taking the market short and betting against prices moving higher until we can close back above the 10 SMA. So that's all I have for you guys today. Once again, think in terms of probabilities, understand where the risk reward is. Before you enter a trade, make sure you know where you would get out of a trade. So I will see you guys again tomorrow. Take care.